Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mr. Monsi here with another tutorial. This time we're going to teach you how to change the virtual backgrounds on Zoom. So what you want to do is open Zoom and click on this little gear. After you click on the gear, go down to where it says virtual backgrounds. Now you're going to see a virtual background that I already have, but if you count them, I only have 8 virtual backgrounds and one that says none. I'm going to add a new one. To do that, click on the plus symbol, add image. Find the image. Usually I find mine in my downloads folder if I downloaded it from the internet. And then go ahead and click open. You're going to see that this new background appears at the very bottom and it automatically changes to that background and you're set. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, keep it true.